Welcome back to Olympic. Today I'm going to show you the correct way to do diaphragmatic breathing. So follow along with me. What you do here is you're going to set up on your back with your knees up. Now what's very important with this exercise is that you establish the correct rib cage position. Most of us will set up where our rib cage is elevated, or what is called flared. What you want to do here is you want to feel the rib cage. If it feels like it's elevated, you want to engage the core to help pull it down. Now that does not mean just roll your pelvis. Keep your pelvis where it is. Establish the right rib cage position by engaging the abdominals. That in of itself might be a challenge, but that's okay, stick with it. Set that rib cage down, and then what you're gonna do is you're going to use your fingertips and you're gonna feel what's called the ASIS of the pelvis, the anterior superior iliac spine. Basically this bony ridge on the pelvis. You're gonna find that landmark and you're going to bring your fingertips in about an inch, and then you're going to poke down. Once you poke down, I don't want you to tense up. Set the ribcage down, that spot about an inch to the inside of the ASIS of the pelvis, poke down, and then what you're gonna do is you're going to inhale, and you're gonna feel pressure build into the fingertips, and then you're gonna exhale. The exhale should be about at least 3 times longer than the inhale was, and at the end of the exhale, you're gonna feel this muscle contract into your fingertips. That muscle is called your transverse abdominis. It is your body's built-in weight belt. It plays a huge role in stabilizing around the lower back and setting the trunk in the optimal position for your hips and your mid-back and your arms to move. In through the nose, out through the mouth. You'll feel that muscle pop up into your fingertips, and then relax. Once you've established that, once you feel connected to your TA or your transverse abdominis, then you can start to add some motion to it. So you can start to add in a little march. And then relax. And then repeat. Set that TA at the end of the exhale. Add in that little march. It's gonna be more challenging than you think it's gonna be, but do it the right way to get the most out of it. Have fun with it, and we'll see you in the next video.